morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do is and are in your book. So open your book, page number 70. So we are going to do fill in the blanks of is and are. So firstly, we will do weekly learnings. Then we will do our book work. So let's start. What is the color of the week? Say all of you. Yellow. Spelling of yellow is Y-E-L-L-O-W. What is the color of the week? Yellow. Very good. Shape of the week is circle. Shape of the week is circle. Very good. Word of the week is flower. What is the word of the week? Flower. Spelling of flower is F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Word of the week is flower. Very good. Next, flower of the week is sunflower. Say all of you. Sunflower. Flower of the week is sunflower. Month of the year is February. What is the month of the year? February. Say all of you. February. Very good. Okay, now sentence of the week is flowers are beautiful. Sentence of the week is flowers are beautiful. Very good. Okay, class, open page number 70. Write date first. 3 February 2022, and then write classwork here. Okay, so we are going to do this is and are. Fill in the blanks with is or are. So look at the picture first. This dash a brush. What is this? This is a brush, okay? This is a brush. And there is only a one single thing. There is only a one single thing. So what will come here? Here will come is. I-S. Is. So write is. There is only a one single thing. That's why is will come here. So coming to the next one. These dash pens. Read the sentence again. These dash pens. So look at the picture first. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pens. So what will come here? I told you when there is only a one thing, we used is. And if there is more than one thing, then what will come here? Are. So अगर आपके पास one thing होगी तो आप is यूज करेंगे, और अगर आपके पास more than one thing होगी तो आप are यूज करेंगे. So what will come here? These are pens. A-R-E. Pens. These are pens. Okay. So coming to the next one. This dash a flag. There is only a one flag. So what will come here? Here will come is. What will come here? Is. So spelling of is I-S. So write is. Okay. Now coming to the next one. So next one is these dash shoes. These dash shoes. There is one pair of shoes. So what will come here? Shoes. Okay. There is one pair of shoes. Then what will come here? These are shoes. So spelling of R is A R E. Are shoes. These are shoes. Okay. So now coming to the next one. This dash a cake. So tell me what will come here? There is only a one cake. There is only a one cake. Then what will come here? This dash a cake. This is a cake. Why is? Because there is only a one cake. And if there will be more than one cake, then what will come here? R. Okay. अगर आपके पास 2 केक होते या 3 केक होते, so वहाँ पे क्या आता? R. Okay. So what will come here? This is a cake. So all of you write is. S. I-S. Is. So getting it? If there is only a one thing, then is will come. And if there will be more than one thing, then R will come. Okay. So all of you just do this work in page number 70 and click the picture of this page and send me through WhatsApp. So now we will do some orals. So class, now we are going to do some orals in which we will know about some opposites word. Okay, so today we will know about some opposite words, the words which means have opposite. Okay, so let's start your opposite words. So today we are going to do opposite words. So all of you just look at your screen and open page number 88 if you have book. So first of all, look at the picture, then we will read it. Okay, so first of all, look at this picture. What you are seeing here? Day. What is this? Day. What is this? Day. So what is the opposite of day? दिन का opposite क्या होता है? रात. Okay, so रात को क्या कहते हैं? Night. What do we say in रात को? Night. We say night. So day का opposite word क्या होगा? Night. Okay, getting it? So next, big. Big means बड़ा और उसका opposite क्या होगा? Small. Small is छोटा. Big का उल्टा क्या होता है? Small. Okay, so big का opposite word will be small. Getting it? So like that. Look at this picture. Tall. Tall means lamba. Tall means lamba. So what will be the opposite word of tall? Short. Short means chota. Okay. So short and tall. Tall is the opposite word of short. Okay. Getting it? So coming to the next one. Light and heavy. Light means halka, heavy means bhari. Okay, so feather is very light in weight. Feather बहुत हल्का होता है and bat is very heavy. So getting it like that. Happy का opposite word क्या होगा? Sad. Okay, happy means खुश होना. Sad means दुखी होना. So happy का opposite word will be sad. So coming to the next one. Empty, full. What is the meaning of empty? Empty means khali. तो ये खाली ग्लास है ना, सो दिस मीन्स एम्प्टी. और इसका उल्टा क्या होगा? व्हाट विल बी द अपोजिट वर्ड ऑफ एम्प्टी? फुल. फुल. फुल मीन्स भरा हुआ. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. नियर. बॉल इज वेरी नियर. ओके, नियर मीन्स नजदीक. नियर मीन्स नजदीक. लाइक दैट. फार मीन्स दूर. बॉल दूर है ना, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? फार. सो नियर एंड फार. फार इज द अपोजिट वर्ड ऑफ नियर. Getting it? So now coming to the next one, look at this picture. This one is hard. Hard means, what is the meaning of hard? कठोर. Okay, कठोर होता है hard का means. Hard. वैसे इसका opposite word क्या होगा? Soft. What will be the opposite word of hard? Soft. Soft means कोमल. कठोर और कोमल. कोमल मीन्स सॉफ्ट. गेटिंग इट? सो रिपीट विद मी वंस अगेन. डे इज अपोजिट वर्ड ऑफ नाइट. बिग इज अपोजिट वर्ड ऑफ स्मॉल. टॉल इज अपोजिट वर्ड ऑफ शॉर्ट. लाइट इज अपोजिट वर्ड ऑफ हैवी. हैप्पी इज अपोजिट वर्ड ऑफ सैड. Empty is opposite word of full. Near is opposite word of far. Hard is opposite word of soft. So getting it? So we will meet in next class, in next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye class.